Hello students, let us continue lesson number 8, formation of regional culture, and the topic is India's main classical dances. Classical dances are a distinctive part of Indian culture. These classical dances have been associated with religion. We will learn about the major classical dances of India. So, the dance is Kathak. The word Kathak is derived from Katha. The storyteller embellished. Now, the meaning of embellished is make something more attractive by the addition of decorative details or features, or we can say make a story more interesting by adding extra details that are often untrue. So, the storyteller embellished the story with their facial expression and music. Facial expression means more expressions are shown on the face. The saying Kathan kare so Kathak kehvai is very well known, especially in the 15th and 16th century. Kathak flourished in North India due to spread of Bhakti movement. The subject of Kathak included the story of Radha and Lord Krishna called Ras Leela. In the time of Mughal emperors, Kathak dance was performed in courts where it developed into a distinctive dance form. After 15th and 16th century, Kathak got divided into branches. These branches are called gharanas. These two branches include Jaipur and Lucknow. In the 19th century, Nawab Wajid Ali Shah of Awadh revived the art by giving shelter to Kathak in his court. Kathak spread in Punjab, Haryana, Jammu Kashmir, Bihar, and Madhya Pradesh. After independence, Kathak got a place in 6 classical dances. Today, Kathak has become an integral part of Indian culture. Now, next is Kathakali. And on page number 45, children, you can see the picture of Kathakali. Kathakali is a dance form tradition of Kerala. Literally, meaning of Kathakali is theoretical story. Acting is the soul of Kathakali dance. In Kathakali dance, acting, costumes, and colors are very important. Then, know this. It is known that this form of drama originated from the Sanskrit drama tradition called Kutiyattam of the 9th and 10th century. Now next is Manipuri. Manipuri dance is the identity of Manipur state. The people of Manipur perform this dance on every festival and occasion. Manipur dance form is considered to be different from other dance form as it is in slow body movement. There are 2 types of Manipur dance. Number 1, Lasya, and number 2 is Tandav. Now, children, on page number 46, you can see the picture of Manipur dance. Now, know this. King Bhagyachandra of the 18th century played an important role in the development of Manipuri dance. He wrote a book, Govind Sangeet Leela Vilas, as good as a dance style textbook. Next is Bharat Natyam. Bharat Natyam. Now, Bharat Muni wrote a book named Natyastra. It is a great book written on classical dance of India. Nandikeshwar wrote a book named Abhinay Darpan. Bharatnatyam is discussed in detail as an important classical dance of India. Bharatnatyam dance was developed in Tanjore district of Tamil Nadu. So children, on page number 46, you can see the picture of Bharatnatyam. Next is Kuchipudi. And you can see the dance pose of Kuchipudi on page number 46. Kuchipudi dance was originated from Kuchipudi village in Andhra Pradesh. The dance called Yakshagana of this village took the form of Kuchipudi dance in the 17th century. The founder of Kuchipudi dance was Vaishnav poet Siddhendra Yogi. Now, next is Bihu. Bihu is a famous dance of Assam. So, the Assami people used to do the Bihu dance. This dance is performed by a group of men, women dressed in traditional costumes to express happiness. Hand and foot movements, speed and group formation play an important role in this dance. Dhol, pepa, that means an instrument made from buffalo horn, and instruments like flute are used in this dance. Now, know this. In the medieval era, following dance were included. Number 1, Bharatnatyam from Tamil Nadu, Kathakali from Kerala, Odissi from Odisha, Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh, Manipuri from Manipur, Kathak from North India. Now student, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.